I'm going to hand it over to Snehi to wind up the day and the week for us.
Absolutely, Aisha. Thanks for that. Let's take a look at how we have panned out in today's trading session. It's looking quite okay given the kind of handover that we had received from the global markets and the weakness in the market that we had seen on the back and forth of Trump's tariff decisions, especially when it comes to Canada and Mexico. So on the back of that, let's pull up the charts and take a look at what the Nifty has done in today's trading session. We're somewhere in the middle of the trading day for the Nifty. We'll have the chart up for you in a while. It's interesting to note that we did cross the 22,600 mark in today's trading day. There we have it. We were at 22,633 thereabouts for the highest point of the trading day. We've trickled down quite significantly from that point, but nonetheless we're very nominally in the red. Let's see if we can tip over to the green, because we have seen two consecutive days of gains. Let's hope to hit a hat-trick on that front, but nonetheless it's not much to worry about. We're rather flattish but comfortable above the 22,500 mark for now for the Nifty. Sensex also in tandem with the Nifty, rather flat moves coming in right now with a slight negative bias, so that's where the Sensex is right now, but around the 74,300 mark is where we'll be shutting shop for the Sensex as well. Nifty Bank has been slightly tempered and yesterday also largely underperformed the markets. It's a 0.4% cut coming in on Nifty Bank right now, so that's somewhere where we've seen a little bit of a weakness coming in today's market. Let's pull up the advanced decline ratio. More than almost 1,700 stocks in the green today. That's tipping the scales in the favor of the advances today. And on the back of that, India week saw a cut of 1.2%. The only cut that the street is liking to see right now. We're looking very good on that India week cool off today as well. Let's pull up the broader markets, because the Nifty mid-cap has been in tandem with the benchmarks, or rather it's underperforming, a 0.4% cut coming in over there. However, what's doing really well and pulling the market momentum and pulling the markets upward one way is the small cap index for yet another trading session. Remember, we were almost 1% high, so we've simmered down quite significantly on the small cap index as well, but a 0.6% uptick is what we're seeing on that front as well. Let's take a look at some gainers and losers in today's trading session. It was a mixed day coming in for all sectoral moves as well today, because you have the media, metal and energy pack that have ended in the green. Everything else has ended in the red for us, with Nifty Realty and IT taking the biggest cuts, followed by Pharma, Bank, PSU Bank and FMCG. Auto is on the flat line. Over the course of the week, however, all sectors have ended in the green week-to-date basis, with metals being the clear outperformer, 8.5% uptick coming in on a week-to-date basis for metal names. But let's shift focus once again to today's trading session, because it was the real estate pack that took a big cut today. Godrej Properties, Prestige, Lodha, Rabin, Oberoi Realty, Phoenix, Brigade. Now, Brigade was a news maker in today's trade on the back of that new launch that the company has done yesterday. A 1,700 crore revenue potential is what they're eyeing from Brigade Altius. But despite that, the stock has slipped into the red, a 0.5% cut coming in on Brigade as well. Some other news makers were also in focus in today's trading session. You had the likes of Reliance that continued its upward momentum for the third straight day on the back of back-to-back brokerage notes coming in. Today it was an upgrade coming in from Macquarie. So Reliance also trading with gains of more than 3% in today's trading session. But lots of other stocks that were in focus in today's trading session as well. BEL on the back of order wins, Kalpataru projects also on the back of order wins. You had railway companies the likes of RVNL and RITES. Both of them were also in focus on the back of order wins, and largely all of these stocks have ended today's trading session in the green. So all in all, it's been a pretty okay trading session for us. We have been range bound compared to where we closed yesterday. In fact, we are closing lower to yesterday's closing level as well. We'll give the rate some time to settle. It's looking like a smidge of red on the screen right now, but nonetheless above 22,500 mark is where we are comfortably shutting shop for the week.